Good morning, my dear loving kids. How are you all? Yes, I hope you are all fine, isn't it? Okay, ma. So, the last class, what we learned? Yes, very good. We learned about sense organs and their functions. Correct? Okay. So, today we are going to see the chapter 3, Food and Health. Okay, what's the name of the chapter? Food and Health. Okay, ma, food and health. So, in this chapter, we are going to see the sources of food, types of food, and water, balanced diet, and then good food habits. And also, we are going to see the 3 types of food. Okay, ma? So, these much things we are going to see in this class, food and health. Okay, so today we are going to see an interesting topic and very useful topic in our daily life. Okay, ma? So, everyone be active in the class. Did you feeling sleepy? No, you are very good, charming children. So, be active in my class. Okay, then shall I proceed the class? Okay, now all of you take page number 42. Page number 42. This is the homework part. Okay, this is homework for you. This is the homework part you have to do. Okay, so here some food items they have given. So you have to tick the food that you think is healthy. You have to tick the food which is healthy and you have to cross the one that the food is not healthy. It's very simple. Okay, so this is homework part and then we are going to the topic. Okay, first it's sources of food. Before that, why do we need food? Yes, we need food to live, isn't it? We need food to play. If we are eating food only, we can have the capability. We can have the energy to play, to do work, to live, isn't it? So food contains many nutrients that will help our body to grow. Okay, food contains many nutrients. So what is nutrients? In that nutrients, some nutrient means that will make the body to grow. Okay, so we should eat healthy food to grow, study, play and be strong. Okay, ma? So what are the sources of food? So sources are of food. So main source. So what is meant by source? So it's just a person or a place or a thing. Okay, that you get something from. Okay, so the main sources of food are plants and animals. Okay, ma? So the main sources of food are plants and animals. Okay, from plants what we will get? We will get vegetables, fruits, pulses, nuts, grains. Okay, from plants we will get these much things, and from animals milk, meat, eggs we will get from animals. So the main source of food are plants and animals. Okay, ma? So the two main sources of food are plants and animals. From plants we get vegetables, fruits, pulses, nuts and grains. And from animals, milk, meat and egg. Okay, my dear kids? Okay, then we are going to see about types of food. Okay, ma? So there are 3 types of food. Okay, that provide us the nutrients we need. So what are the 3 types? Energy giving food, body building food and then protective food. Okay, ma? So this nutritious food has nutrients that a person needs to be healthy. So it can help prevent diseases and keep us healthy. So what are the 3 types of food? energy giving food, body building food, and then protective food. So one by one we are going to see. Okay. So what is energy giving food? These are the energy giving foods. So before that, what is energy giving food? For daily day work, we will do walking, studying, walking, playing, right? These are all our daily activities. So in order to do these activities, we need energy, isn't it? So these type of foods, it gives energy for us to walk, to study, to work, to play. Isn't it, ma? So these food are called as energy giving foods. For daily activities like walking, studying, working, playing, these are all the activities we will be doing daily, isn't it, ma? So in order to do these activities, we need energy. Correct? So if you are eating these energy giving foods, we will get more energy to do these daily activities. Okay, my dear kids. So these foods will give us energy, and also it is said as energy giving foods. So for example, rice, chapati, bread, potato, sugar, oil, butter. Okay, children. So see here. We need energy for our daily activities such as walking, studying, walking and playing. So, we need to eat food that gives us energy. They are called energy giving food. Rice, chapati, bread, potato, sugar, oil, butter and ghee are some examples of energy giving foods. Clear? Energy giving foods, right? So then bodybuilding food, we are going to see about bodybuilding food. Take the next page, 43. So these are the food items for bodybuilding, right? So to keep our muscles and body strong, we need bodybuilding food. Okay, ma? So we need bodybuilding food to keep our muscles and body strong. Okay, they help us to grow also. So what are the bodybuilding foods? Fish, meat, chicken, egg, pulses, nuts, milk. So these are the bodybuilding food. These helps us to keep our muscles and body strong. Okay, ma'am. So we need bodybuilding food to keep our muscles and body strong. They help us to grow. Fish, meat, chicken, eggs, pulses, nuts and milk are some bodybuilding foods. Okay, and then my dear kids, we are going to see protective foods. So fruits and vegetables are protective food, which means they will protect us from various diseases and also they will keep our body healthy. Okay, these fruits and vegetables, it will keep our body healthy and also it protects us from various diseases. Okay, so fruits and vegetables are our protective food. Okay, children. See, fruits and vegetables are protective foods. They protect us from various diseases. They keep our body healthy. Fruits and vegetables are some examples of protective food. Therefore, we must eat vegetables and fruits regularly. See this point? We must eat vegetables and fruits regularly to protect us from various diseases and also to keep our body healthy. Okay, children, so we studied about energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food, isn't it? So the next topic we are going to see is water. See, all of you take page number 45. You all know that we have to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses, cups of water every day. Okay. So it will remove the waste from our body in the form of urine. Isn't it, ma? So she is drinking, see. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Water helps in removing the waste. See, water helps in removing the waste from our body. Okay, ma, we should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Water helps in removing the waste from our body. Okay, children. Then balanced diet. See. So what is balanced diet? So the food that we eat every day, that is called a diet. Okay. So diet means what are the foods we have to include? It should have protective food, it should have body building food, it should have energy giving food, right? So balanced diet means not only protective food, not only body building food, not only energy giving food. We have to eat everything like energy giving food items, body building food items, and then protective food items. Okay, we have to eat everything in a regularly. Okay, regularly means daily. If you are drinking milk means there is a limit. Morning 1 cup, night 1 cup. After that, don't drink that. Okay, like that. There is a limit. Chicken also weekly once or twice only. Okay, ma? That's the balanced diet. Okay. So, fruit items, daily you can eat fruits, vegetables, fish, egg, like that. Everything you have to eat in a balanced manner. That is said to as balanced diet. Food that we eat every day is called our diet. Diet means that has energy giving food, body building food and protective food is called a balanced diet. See, balanced diet means we have to have energy giving food, body building food and protective food. So, a balanced diet is needed for healthy growth and activity. So, we have to avoid the junk foods. Okay, we have to avoid junk foods and we have to add more fruits and vegetables in our daily food items. Okay, ma? So, that is the balanced diet. And then we are going to see the good food habits. What's the first point? Always eat clean and fresh food. So, always eat clean and fresh food. Eat a balanced diet. That's what I said. Eat balanced diet, which means protective food, body building food, energy giving food. Everything, every food items you have to eat in a scheduled manner. Okay. That is, eat a balanced diet. Avoid junk food. Junk food means like burger, pizza, then from hotels. That are all junk foods. Okay. Avoid junk food as much as possible. Now you take page number 46. See. Wash all fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. Whatever may be, before eating or before cooking, you have to wash all the fruits and vegetables properly. Then chew your food well before you swallow. You all kids, I know you will chew your food right before you swallow. Then always wash your hands before and after eating. After eating, you all kids will wash your hand. But before eating also, you must wash your hands before eating. Because you all kids will play now, right? With sand or with dirty places, you will play. After that, you have to wash your hands, right? Otherwise, without washing means that dirty only it will goes into the stomach. Isn't it, mom? So before eating, you should wash your hands. Eat at the right time. So morning means before 9 o'clock. Lunch means before 1 o'clock. Dinner means before 8 o'clock you have to eat. That is eat at the right time. Always remember to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. That I explained in the previous page, isn't it? At least minimum 6 to 8 glasses. Drink milk every day. Okay, milk carries calcium content. It will make the bones to become stronger. Do not eat food that is kept open for a long time. Don't get the food that is open for a long time in the open areas and all, like hotels and all. They will keep in the open area, right? Don't buy that and don't eat that. Okay, ma? Do not talk with your mouth full. While you are eating, please don't talk. Do not eat meals while watching television or reading a book, and then never waste food. Okay, children, so these are all the good habits you have to follow while eating. Okay, children, see, he is eating a balanced diet. Balanced diet means fruits, vegetables, egg, milk, curd, butter. Okay, so these are the balanced diet, and he is washing hands before eating, and he is drinking water, and he is drinking milk. These are the good habits. Okay, children. So today we learned about sources of food. Plants and animals are the main sources, and then types of food: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and then protective food. Energy giving means that will give energy. That food item will give us energy. Bodybuilding means that food item will keep our muscles and body strong. And then protective food means that protect us from diseases. And then we learned about water. Minimum 6 to 8 glass of water we have to drink daily. And then balanced diet means we have to take energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food in a same manner. And then we learned about good habits, isn't it? So this lesson is over. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, children. So shall I wind up the class? The next class we can see the next chapter. So till that, bye bye. Bye, my dear kids. Bye bye.